So today, different kind of video. I've been sent this by Crud XL. It's the XL fender. It fits all front suspension forks, guaranteed no clogging, no tools, fits in seconds, disc brakes only, and Danny Hart, World Cup rider, uses it himself. And yeah, let's unbox it and have a look at it. Right, so that's the mudguard itself. That's the front end, and then that there is the back end and the tail, which deflects the mud off your frame. So as you look at it, it'll be like that behind your forks, and it should look pretty good. And that bit there, that's to stop the mud spray coming out the front, like to protect your eyes and your goggles and all that. And yeah, let's have a look what else is inside the box. So inside the box, we've got some stickers and some rubber O-rings. I'm guessing the rubber O-rings are what attaches the mudguard to the forks. And yeah, let's have a look what's inside. So these are the stickers. We've got two that go on the side. They go there. That one there, the XL one. That one goes on the front. And the crud one, which is there, goes on the back of the mudguard. And yeah, let's put the stickers on, and then we'll get to installing the mudguard. I think that's pretty straight. Looks pretty straight to me. I'll stick it on then. So as you're looking down, people see that at the front. Should look pretty good. And then we've got the XL fender stickers. There you go there. So put them on. That's probably quite awkward to do, but yeah. No, don't stick there. Yeah, that's on. Time to the other side. So there's the side stickers on now. It's coming together quite nicely. Looks the part. XL. Put the last sticker on now. And yeah, that's all the stickers on. So now we're going to get to the installation part. So, get some of the O-rings out the bag. I'm pretty sure you get quite a few, so I might have a couple spare. So, I'll put that there. Actually no, we'll put that on my brake lever. So they're going to be brake lever like that. And then I'll put a rough fitment on how it fits now. And then I'll put the O-rings on after. But apparently you're supposed to do something with your brake cable. So I'm just going to do what I think now and then have a look after and see what I think about it. I'll put it the other way around. I shall be back shortly when I've figured out how to figure this out. So I've just got it on. Took quite a bit of effort because I'm quite cack-handed, but yeah. What I was doing, I was trying to put it through the back to the front, and what you should have done was put it from the front to the back. Because I watched a video of Danny Hart's mechanic, and he's put it the way I just did, and he went straight through, so that's what I tried and it worked. So now we're gonna put the rubber O-rings on and see what it looks like after it's fully fitted. And next time I do a ride, I will give it a review. So that one goes through there like that. Stretches round like that, and then I do the other side now. So that one goes through there. I have put the raw thing on so it's twisting. Oh, finger! Ow! Oh yeah, that seems pretty sturdy already, and I've only got 2 bands on. So I've got to put the top ones on here, and then we should be pretty ready to go. Oh, it's come back out. There you are. Other side now. And then we're pretty much done. One good thing about these rubber bands is they won't scratch your forks because they're like really elasticy and stretchy, so they fit nice. There's no tyre rub, and these are 2.6 tyres, so it'd be a good test for the width on these. So there's that much clearance there, there's that much clearance at the front, and then you've got that bit there which stops the spray coming through the front, and really that is a pretty solid mudguard. So we'll get it down off the stand now. That's not quite straight, that's going to annoy me, but I'll sort that out eventually. Let's get it off the stand and give it like a drop test and see if the mudguard like bounces or anything like that, or makes any noises. So yeah. Seems pretty good. So yeah, that's probably going to be the end of the video. I'll sort this out properly soon, so it's all straight at the front. And yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, comment what you want to see next, and see you in the next one.